Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a sticker more transparent in CapCut PC. So select stickers here and add in a sticker. I'm just going to select one that isn't really transparent so you guys can see. I'm just going to add this one and I'm just going to wait for it to download. So as you can see, the sticker isn't really transparent. I'm just going to add it to a black background like so, and I am just going to export this and name it sticker. And once you are done with that, you are going to grab any video you want really. I'm just going to grab this video. Where is it? I'm just going to add it, and to make the sticker transparent, let me just import the video that we just made. Sticker, where is it? Here it is. I'm just going to add it. Then I'm just going to add it to the track. Make sure you add it above the video too, like so. And then choose the screen or brighten opacity. And as you can see, now it's kind of transparent. You can also adjust the opacity here if you want, but it's already transparent as is. As you can see, if I move it here, you can see her face there, like so. That's pretty much how you can make a transparent sticker on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!